Hey guys, so today is our anniversary, 26 years. So we're about to celebrate. We're actually celebrating on the day. It's Wednesday, April 13th, and we are going out. A couple of surprises for hubby, but first one starts now. This restaurant opened last year, and we were so excited to support a Black-owned restaurant. It took us so long to go over this menu. There was so much on it, and everything was so good. We ended up getting the shrimp. They were jumbo. I had the lamb chops, green beans, and loaded potatoes. My husband had the chicken Alfredo stuffed turkey leg. He said it was so good. It was a really big portion, and he did not eat it all. It had to be a lot because my husband always eats all his food. But everything was so good. It was seasoned perfectly, and it was amazing. My husband always drives, so I told him to sit back, relax, and let me chauffeur you around today. I got you. One thing I liked about this new strange place that we were going is that it was free-flowing air. It's an old warehouse, and where the trucks used to pull up to, the doors were open, so it was air flowing all throughout. And it's always different going to a strange new place anyway, and we were going bowling. Yes, football mixed with bowling. So we were in for a surprise. We went, but we did not conquer. The bowling conquered us, but we had a good time trying something new. Sometimes it's just the simple things in life, just something little to put a smile on your face. So hubby was nice enough to drive so I could so I could eat my ice cream. Thank you, mister.
Thank you for the ice cream.
You're welcome. Hey guys, so it is late on what's this, Wednesday night. It is our anniversary today. As you have seen, we've just shown some of our anniversary celebration. We went out to eat and had a good dinner.
Yes.
And we are full. And he is really, really full and sleepy and ready to lay it down.
Yes,
So he was so kind to sit down with me. So I'm going to try to hurry up because he's ready to go to sleep. Anywho, we're going to play a little game of Do You Remember? And then I'll ask some other questions. So this will be really impromptu. So if you don't have all the best answers, it's okay because this is last minute for him. So he may or may not have some questions for me. I don't know. I just kind of pulled this last minute. I want no rhyme or reason. Just want to play a little game. So can you remember the cars that we've had since we've been married?
Shall I name them?
Yes, name the cars when we got married and the ones we've purchased since we got married.
When we got married, I had a Mustang.
A red
A
one.
red 5.0, and Tracie had a Honda Accord.
I had the sedan.
Right. And we got married. We picked up a Eddie Bauer edition. Yeah, what was it? Ford Explorer. And then
It was green.
Green, yep.
Cream, that cream or taupe interior, leather interior.
Leather Eddie Bauer
I remember
edition.
that one.
And when Jalen came along, I had to get rid of my hot rod, so I had to get rid of my Mustang. And we had a Toyota Camry. So we kept the Camry for a while.
You got to say the colors.
Black Camry. We put that. We sold that after 276,000 miles on
it. It was black with a taupe interior.
Yep. And we bought Tracie a 2004 sky blue Kia. Yeah, we bought that right before Isaiah was born.
Sorrento.
And, Sorrento.
And didn't know that I was pregnant when I bought the vehicle because I would have gotten a bigger vehicle, like a 3-row seat.
We're going to move on from that because that's a sore subject.
Because
that's a sore subject.
Yeah, I did. He said that he encouraged me to get a minivan.
Minivan or 3-row seat or something like that.
I was not trying to get no minivan. I would have gotten a 3-row seater SUV, but they cost a little bit way too much. So anyway, we didn't know that Isaiah was on the way. So we got a regular SUV that seats 5. So.
Right. So from there, we still had the Camry. We still had the Kia. And after that, I really don't remember. I know we picked up a Lexus. We picked up a Lexus.
Before that, we got the little Honda.
I had a little Honda. I picked up a little piece of Honda from one of my friends who was moving to Pennsylvania, and his job was only going to transfer 2 cars, so he sold me that one so I could run around with it for refereeing or something.
Refereeing and umpiring.
And then I think after that, we picked up the Lexus. Since then, we've picked up, after 276,000 miles we had on the Camry. And then we got yes, I am, because I'm going to drive the car. I'm going to drive it till the wheels fall off. Yes, I am.
We don't just get cars like that.
No, we don't. We keep them. We get good cars. So from there, I bought the Nissan Maxima. So I was able to get that, and I got rid of the Toyota, another black car. I got a black car. Since then, Jalen came along and got her Volvo.
Jordan had an Altima.
Oh, Jordan had an Altima.
Nissan Altima.
And our kids bought their own cars. Jordan did, Jalen did, and then here comes Isaiah.
He was given his.
He was given his. So,
by Grandma Lou.
Yeah. So, and here we are. We still have the Kia Sorrento. We have Nissan Maxima. Jalen has the Volvo, and Isaiah has a Hyundai Sonata.
Yeah. Oh, you remembered. Okay. Okay.
Now that was long enough for the closing.
I got some more questions.
Bam,
okay. Okay. What times were the kids born?
Don't know. I'm not even gonna lie.
You don't remember?
Nighttime.
And I think all of them were nighttime. Even the ones. So Jalen and Isaiah were born, of course, to us, but Jordan was not long before, and Mickey was before. So I think they were all nighttime babies. I know Jalen. Do you remember what time Jalen was born?
No.
Jalen barely made it in.
I remember that
on the 12th. I won't say the month, but on the 12th by 5 minutes.
Okay, I know it was close.
Isaiah was born at. So Jalen was born at 12 something, wee hours of the morning. Isaiah was born at.
Really, but I don't know.
You don't, okay.
I do not know.
1 something in the morning.
Okay, there you go.
Jordan was born at 2:11 in the morning. So mine were boom, boom, boom. And then Mickey was born at
nighttime. Don't know.
Okay. Anyway. All right. Our first date was at
haunted house. Me and my cousin Felix. We had game back then. We took our girls to the haunted house, so when they got scared, they would jump in our arms, and it worked. So that was our first date.
Anyway.
Yeah.
Anyway.
So my game was tight back then.
Anyway. Come in. Good night, Jayla.
Good night, Jayla.
Okay.
That was CB2.
That was CB2. We won't even go into what the initials mean. But, yeah. Our first date was at a haunted house. We did those type of things back then when we was dating. So, first date was a haunted house. And it was fun at the time. It was fun.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
I got the prize.
Next question. Who met whose family first?
Wow. I don't remember that.
Mm-hmm.
I would take a wild guess and say I went by your house first.
I think so.
How you gonna ask a question you don't know the answer to? Moving right along.
But I do.
I'm over my time limit.
Who said I love you first?
Tracie did.
Mm-hmm. And I usually do not do things like that. I am not a forward person at all, and he knows this. And that was so out of my element, But I did. It was just one of them moments, and bloop, came out. So it was me. It was me.
Okay. I'm doing all right today, so.
But he approached me first. I don't believe in approaching me. I don't. But he approached me first. But I said I love you first. So anyway.
Right.
What are 3 things that you enjoy about marriage?
Well, the first thing, I ain't gonna say the first thing, but I have security at home. I know my wife is going to be there. I know she's not full of drama. I know she's thrifty like me. She's not just loose with her money and stuff like that. So there's just, to me, I'm just going to say there's just a lot of security in the mate that God gave me. I'm not even going to go to second and third because that's number one. God gave her to me, and he picked a good one for me. Well, he put a good one in front of me, and I made the conscious decision to select her.
Oh. All right. Is that your only
That's
answer?
what I'm going to say today.
Okay. My answers are that I have a lifetime friend.
Mm-hmm.
I have a
Hey,
lifetime
friend, what's up?
What's up? A lifetime friend. So that is one. And like I said, there's no rhyme or reason to the questions and answers and stuff. It's just impromptu. There's deeper things that we could get into, but we won't because it is late and we're tired. And that slap happy sleepy, that's what we are because we're full and we done played around at the thing you saw us at and we had ice cream, so we ready to go to bed. But just off the top of my head, I have a lifetime friend, so I love that. I'll just say something. I appreciate the struggles that we went through. I'm glad everything wasn't super easy because the struggles bring you closer and they make you lean on God and stick close to your partner. Sometimes when everything is great and you have just like a lot of money or you can do anything and everything, I think sometimes that gives people freedom to throw in the towel or take the easy way out. I'm going back home. I'm going back to mama's and just different things like that. So I think the struggle, we had some struggle years and they weren't horrible at all. I was telling you about finances. We had, struggle time sometimes, but the Lord brought us through. Mm-hmm. And but I'm thankful for those struggle times. On this side, I'm thankful. It was hard back then, but I'm thankful on this side. Let's see what else. There was something else. Oh, okay. I think that's all I could think of off the top of my head. Can you think of anything? You said it already.
I already went first.
Yeah, I already went first.
We're ready to move on.
Yes, but I think that's it. I just wanted to do a little question and answer for the people because sometimes people want to know more about you and your personality and stuff. Mm-hmm. And he's on camera sometimes, but not
Too much.
Yeah, not too much. He doesn't
I'm
talk.
good.
He doesn't like to be on camera. Him and Isaiah don't care for the camera at all. So, but anywho, thank y'all for coming along on our little date night. Thank you.
I'm glad y'all decided to stop by Tracie's place. Remember to hit the like and the subscribe button. Become one of Tracie's Place family. And we're blessed over here at Tracie's Place. Hello.
Okay, he been listening. He been watching. I don't know. He's so sweet.
Let me give Isaiah's place.
Oh my goodness. All right, y'all. Well, I am going to leave, actually, at the end of this video, I'll leave 2 videos. Our anniversary video, our 25th wedding anniversary video from last year, and then a Q&A. We did a Q&A like 2 years ago, so I'll leave that at the end of the video too. All right, well, thank you for coming along on our 26th wedding anniversary. We appreciate y'all coming along with us, and yeah, we're about to go to bed because we, like I said, slap happy tired. And it's thundering and lightning outside too, so if you heard some boom boom boom, that's what it was.
Good sleeping weather.
Good sleeping weather. All right, we love you all. Y'all be blessed, and we'll see you next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.
Deuces.
Thank you.